Hello beautiful people, it's Ruth Oyedepo here and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to design flyers with Canva. Don't go anywhere. To design flyers with Canva on your phone using the Canva free version. Go to Canva on your phone, click on it, go to the search bar, click on it, type flyers, click on search. Click on search. Now if you want to design flyers all over, like you don't want to copy somebody's inspiration, you just want to create your own from the beginning, you click on create blank, don't break, and you start designing. But if you don't want to create all over, you want to pick from existing templates, just scroll through this the way I'm scrolling and pick the one that you feel like, okay, you would like to copy or something. So let's take this one for example, hair salon. Click on it. Yes, let's say we want to name it the cake station. Click. So what you do is you want to edit all these text in it. So any text you want to edit, just click on the text. When you click on the text, you to bring out a box like stuff like this. Click on edit, then type the cake station. I don't think anybody has that name, or I don't know, the cake station. Now you want to adjust it. You can see that it's not looking too fine. You drag the box here, you adjust it here, you drag it again, you adjust it, you drag it again. Just make it beautiful the way you like. Let's say the cake station is located at Akpata area. You type Akpata Ibadan. So our services, what do we do? Don't forget, any word or any text you want to edit, just click on it. We click on it, you click on edit. What do we do? We sell our services: banana, bread, oats. Weird. I hope nobody has a cake station. Oats, bread, any kind of bread, wheat bread. Our services, banana bread. So let's say you're running a promo and you want it to like a discount or something. I say 25% off, and that's that. Now so this book now will be like buy now. Simple, right? So here you're fixing your email, here you're fixing your telephone number. Good, that's perfect. Right? Let's say you want to change this background, you don't like the way the background is, you want to change it. Since it's a cake, let's see whether we can get a cake image to fix in there. So what you do is just click on this whole background, click on replace on the cursor below. Let's look for cake image. Hope to see. So let's change the background to this. Perfect, right? So can you see that the background is giving? My friend will say giving. Let's say you want to delete this, just click on anything you want to delete. Click on the image, you see delete here, you delete it. Simple. Click on the image, delete. You want to change the color of any text, click on the text, go down below at the dashboard, you see a capital letter A with color, click on it, change the color. Let's say you want to change the color to I don't know, red, something like that. Just any color you want to change it to. And if you want to change all your text color to red, just click on change all. Everything will be changed. Can you see? Hope you're enjoying this video. So if you just want to save it on your phone, just click on this arrow that faces down. Automatically your flyer is preparing to download on your phone. And when it's done, it's going to bring out something like this for you. So you just scroll through this. As you can see, it's a copy, save image. You click on save image to save to your phone. Click on save file to save to your phone. If you want to print it out. Just click on print out, print. It will print out to your phone. Very simple. So you can make money just creating flyers for people. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.